Wake up within. No more think beyond value-based stories. Wake up within. No more think beyond value-based stories. Hi everyone, welcome to Wake Up Within channel. Now today after a long time we are going to see story time. The Aesop for children. This is a series, a new series I have started now. Now the first story we can see it. Aesop, the Aesop for children. This book I have downloaded from globalgreyebooks.com. Thank you for this Global Grey ebooks. Now we can see this book. The first story, The Wolf and the Kid. The Wolf and the Kid. The Aesop for children. This book alone we are seeing now. The Wolf and the Kid. The first story now we are going to see. There was once a little kid whose growing horns made him think he was a grown-up billy goat and able to take care of himself. So, one evening when the flock started home from the pasture and his mother called, the kid paid no heed. That means the kid is not listening to his mother. Kept right on nibbling the tender grass and he's seeing downwards only. A little bit later, when he lifted his head, the flock was gone. You can see here like the goat. He was all alone. He was all alone. The sun was sinking, long shadows came creeping over the ground. A chilly little wind came creeping with them, making scary noises. A chilly little wind came creeping with them, making scary noise in the grass. The kid shivered as he thought of the terrible wolf. Now, the little kid alone is in that place. All the flock was gone. So he's surrounding what was happening. He was all alone. The sun was sinking. The shadows came creeping over the ground, and everything they are mentioning. How the little kid felt. It's very scary because he thought of the terrible wolf. Then he started wildly over the field, bleating for his mother. But not halfway. Near a clump of trees, there was a wolf. The kid knew there was a little hope for him. What the wolf will do? Actually, it ate a little kid. Is it or not? So, the little kid was a little bit scary. Please, Mr. Wolf, he said, trembling. I know you are going to eat me, but first, please pipe me a tune. For I want to dance and merry as long as I can. I want to dance when the kid is asking. The wolf is accepting. See, the wolf liked the idea of a little music before eating. So he struck up a merry tune and the kid leaped and frisked gaily. And the kid, are you seeing? Okay. So he struck up a merry tune and kid leaped and frisky gaily. Now, as of here, you are seeing here in this picture, the kid is dancing. The wolf is making a tune. Meanwhile, the flock was moving slowly homeward. In the still evening air, the wolf's piping carried far. The shepherd dogs pricked up their ears. That is around the shepherd dogs were there. They recognized the song the wolf sings before a feast, and in a moment they were racing back to the pasture. The wolf's song ended suddenly, and as he ran with the dogs at his heels, he called himself a fool. Because the kid was running, the dogs came, so it was saved. So he called himself who? The wolf. He called himself a fool for turning piper to please a kid when he should have stuck to his butcher's trade. when he should have stuck to his butcher's trade. So from this we understood what the moral of the story is. Do not let anything turn you from your purpose. Do not let anything turn you from your purpose. Again I am telling, do not let anything turn you from your purpose. That means what? Always for a purpose when you are doing means when you are reading or writing, at the time anything happened or something you are seeing the cartoon movie, it will swallow your time and you can't able to read, and afterwards you felt much and nothing will happen. So that you have to be very cautious in every time. As so the wolf not able to eat the kid, even though it was nearby, and he started to tuning. So it is not able to eat the kid, is it or not? So like this, do not let anything turn you from your purpose. I think you may understood the story. The Aesop for children, it was so nice, no? So daily you can see next stories. Okay, thank you for watching. And the wolf and the kid, what was the moral of the story? Do not let anything turn you from your purpose. You have to keep it in the mind. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Please share to everyone you know. A small thing can create a big change in life. Best wishes. We can do whatever we know and get success with pleasure. Really, you learn something, like it. Upcoming videos to know, subscribe this channel. Want to follow? Please click bell button which notifies about the videos uploaded often.
Have a blessed day.